Look up to the board here. I've heard people say swallow is wrong. I've heard people say yacht is wrong. And that the correct pronunciations of the two words should be swallow, yacht. Did you even think about that before? But that's it. There is a clear difference here. And what is the difference? While one is British, one is American English. Swallow, British. Yacht, British. Swallow, American. Swallow, yacht, American. For reasons why that is like that, or why this has come to this level, kindly follow me more and I can introduce my YouTube channel to you. Okay? Bye-bye. Let me know, drop your comment in the comment section and let me hear from you. What do you think about this? Thank you. Bye.